This video is the fourth in a series on how to set up and use the Event Manager software. See the Cyber Sciences Event Manager software setup video for instructions on how to set up the Event Manager with your specific network parameters. The CyTime Event Manager is a single point of reference for multiple sequence of event recorders, providing an overall view of the diagnostic health of your critical power system. In this video, we will go over the I/O status page and diagnostics page. Let's start with logging into the Event Manager. Once logged in, the CyTime Event Manager software will open up to the System screen. For the I/O status page, click on the I/O status tab. The I/O status tab shows the current I/O status of each connected SCR on the network. The status tab shows the state of the unit per input channel in the graphical interface. Status indicators show on, off, inverted, and forced settings of each channel per each SCR device on the network. The two different types of SCRs are 32 input channel SCRs with no outputs, such as an SCR 3200, and 24 input channel SCRs with 8 output channels, such as an SCR 2408. As you can see, the 8 output channels on the SCR 2408 are highlighted with a distinguishable white dotted line around them. In this example here, SCR with the IP address 192.168.2.41 is showing on channel 1. The SCR 192.168.2.43 is showing on channel 8, and it is showing on and inverted on channel 1. On that same SCR, you can see at output channel 1, there's a small e. This represents an error state. This may be due to improper wiring. Like other pages on the Event Manager, you can export files to your computer. You can also refresh, and you can filter the search. The filter settings adjust search parameters for the I/O status data. You can view the content by user-adjusted parameters or by default settings. The user can filter by unit IP address, model number, or assigned name. And finally, let's take a look at the Diagnostics page. Here you have reporting from all SCRs on the network, their diagnostic status. You have the ability to sort by device name, IP address, catalog. You can also see the hardware and firmware version, time source setup, time source actual, time quality, PTP state, PTP key, and diagnostics. This, like other pages, you have the ability to export a CSV file. You can also refresh the page at any time. You have a filter setting where you can select the device by IP address or by its name. You can also select the catalog number. You can select time quality. You can also select by the time source setup of the SCR and the time source actual that the SCR is on. And finally, PTP port state. Remember to hit apply anytime you've made a change. Let's run through a scenario here on the diagnostics page. UPS-1C, which has an IP address of 192.168.243, is showing an error state on their diagnostics. Let's run over to the Systems tab and look up that SCR. Let's click the Diagnostics tab on the SCR itself, which takes us to the SCR's diagnostics page. So to see what the error was, we'll go to the self-diagnostic section, click on that, and there you can see the error for that SCR. And that's an overview of the I/O status and diagnostics page on the CyTime Event Manager. For more information on the Event Manager software or to view our other Event Manager videos, visit us at www.cyber-sciences.com.